We're gonna be building a go-kart shopping cart.
Kart with a K. So we don't have an engine for this go-kart yet, but today we're just going to slam it, put it on some wheels and tires, make it rolling and steering. Should be an interesting little project. Let's get to it. Alright, we got some goodies for the cart now.
Look at these slicks.
Yeah, we got some nice slicks.
Oh man. Really fancy OEM Sparco steering wheel.
Authentic.
Also, authentic Recaro racing seat.
Yes.
This thing costs $1,200.
Is there gonna be enough space, you think, to be able to sit in there and have pedals?
Oh man.
Jump in there.
See.
It's gonna be tight.
No, this is totally gonna work. Yeah, if you just put your feet right at the base of the chair, we can just have the little pedals right here, and you just can't have big feet.
Oh yeah.
No, we're ready to party.
I can already see it. Looks dope.
Dope. Okay, so what do we have to do first?
I think we should build a frame because the basket does have like a bit of a flex to it.
Yeah, it's not very
So
strong.
we have this square tube. We'll make like a bit of a frame around it, and then we can make our front axle, make the back axle.
Well, we have to build steering too, which
Yes.
is definitely not road safe, but it'll be functional, so that'll be good. And any brakes today?
No brakes today.
Okay, no brakes. We die like men.
All right, let's build a frame. Alright, the frame is complete for the go-kart.
This thing is solid.
So we left a little bit of extra frame sticking out the front there because we need to mount our wheels somewhere in front so that they're not in the way of our feet.
Look at this cool little bumper.
Yes.
Super cool.
Beautiful. And then at the back, we left a nice little space there where we can put a motor. We don't know what we're going with yet, but... oh, also, we cut off this back cage and like welded it further back so that the seat could fit just like an extra 2 or 3 inches back.
Nice. With our feet like right at the edge, that extra 2 inches is going to make a big difference.
Yeah. So that's a little bit better.
Yeah.
And so now that the frame is done, we're going to get started on getting the front wheels on, and then we'll get the back wheels on, and then a little bit later we'll figure out how to make this thing steer.
Let's go do it.
Okay, it is now rolling, looking good, looking pretty nice and low.
Dude, this is the coolest thing we've ever built. Why do we even bother building cars? Let's just do go-karts.
I know, this is easier, cheaper, and cooler. So now all we gotta do is make up our steering, mount our steering column, mount our race seat, and then I think that's all we're gonna be doing for today. So right now in the back we have it set up where the wheels just spin without the axle spinning. So that it's just a rolling cart right now, but then in the future when we mount the engine, then we'll make that axle connected to the wheels so that the engine can power the cart.
It's a good thing.
But for now, that's how we're gonna have it. So let's do the steering, do the seat, and then I want to push you in this cart or something.
Let's do it.
Alright, the cart is rolling and steering. Now, if you guys saw in the montage, we actually put this lever on the bottom side, which made it so that when you turned right, it steered left. So that was a mistake. And so to correct it, we flipped the column upside down so that this is sitting upwards, but then now our tie rods sit at a terrible angle, so it doesn't steer that good. So for now, this is fine. In the later, we'll have to address that. Let's take this thing outside and see how she rolls.
Well, that was actually way more fun than I thought it was going to be. Yeah, I don't know what we're going to do with this now. It definitely needs more power, definitely needs some sort of engine or motor, so I don't know if we'll go gas or electric, but needs something.
Besides that, we're going to be continuing on the RX-7. We know you guys want to see some RX-7 stuff, so that's going to be coming really soon. But it's just a fun little weekend project.
Yeah.
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 Alright, we'll see you guys later.
Thank you.